In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge section with above in Google Forms. This is a quick way to combine two sections so your form flows better and respondents do not have to click through an extra page break. It is especially helpful when you accidentally split related questions into separate sections or when you decide a section header is no longer needed. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can see all of your questions and sections laid out in the form builder. If you have multiple sections, you will usually notice clear section breaks, and each section will have its own header area at the top. Next, locate the section header of the section you want to move upward and merge into the section above it. The section header is the top part of that section box, where the section title and description appear. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct section, because merging will remove that section break and combine the content. Once you are on the correct section, look to the top right corner of that section box. You will see the More icon shown as 3 vertical dots. Click that More icon to open the Section Options menu. This menu contains actions that apply specifically to the section you are working in, not the entire form. From the menu, select Merge with Above. As soon as you choose it, Google Forms will merge the current section into the one directly above it. The questions from the section you selected will now appear as part of the previous section, and the separate section header you merged will no longer divide the form. After the merge, quickly scroll through the combined area to confirm the order of questions. Looks right and the transition feels natural. If you use section-based navigation rules, such as sending respondents to specific sections, review those settings afterward, since merging sections can change how the form is structured. That covers everything you need to know.